Welcome to Kitchen 1.
Hi, let's review this product Havells Air Oven Digi today. This is an all-in-one oil-free air fryer, also a air oven and a dehydrator. This product comes with one main unit, the air fryer, and also it includes a rectangular basket with a detachable handle. So you can easily remove this and attach it back, and it is very easy to handle. This is quite spacious and it is very easy to clean as it is non-stick. And this product also includes a rotating drum basket. And I find it time taking to clean this basket when I use some oil. It comes with a handle so that you can remove this basket when it is hot. And also this includes two grill racks, and these are very easy to clean as well. And finally, there is another plate which is a drip tray. You can place it at the bottom of the air fryer. Also included is an instruction manual. And the good thing is that there is a cookbook provided and you can try out these recipes. So let me turn on this device, and I have used a 32 ampere socket. So there is a sensitive LED display provided in this product, and it comes with temperature control buttons on the left side, and there are timer buttons on the right side. Also it includes 9 preset cooking modes, and there is a light button provided so you can see what is inside. And coming to the door, it is made of glass and it is a toughened glass. So please make sure that you place the door carefully on the platform because it does not have any support. Let me quickly show you how to place the drum basket inside the air fryer. So to place that, first you have to press the red color knob that is provided and push the drum basket inside and then release the knob. I have prepared many food items like French fries, okra, cake, and during the initial use there is burnt plastic smell which will reduce on regular use. And coming to the dehydrator mode, so the default time is set to 2 hours and 40 degrees Celsius, and there is no way you can reduce this time. You can increase the time if you wish to. And in case you wish to terminate this program anytime, there is no way you can do it. You can just switch off the device and wait for the device to reset the program by itself. And finally, there is an auto off functionality which is included in this device. So when the time is up, the device turns off automatically.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.